Good morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video what we're going to talk about is the 6 proven ways to make money online. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you stick around and let's cue the intro. So if you're new to this channel is about how to make money online and how to create a passive income for yourself. So if you're interested in that, make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell so that way you get notified every single time I put a video out, which is every single day. So with that being said, let's dive straight into the video and the 6 proven ways to actually make money online. So a lot of videos about this I've noticed around all over the internet is people are just talking about how you can make money with apps that will pay you about 1 cent every single month, but that's not proper money because you're going to spend a lot of time just tapping on these apps and it just doesn't work. You just get stamps and you don't really get any real money. So some of the real ways to make money online are these. One of them is you can actually buy and flip domain names on Instagram, because you're just going to have to find some things that are just like going viral, like, you know, people are just talking about these different things. For example, there's this one chef that was spreading salt like this. I'm not too sure if you can remember this guy, but if you took his name and just made Instagram accounts of this, I'm pretty sure that you could have a big Instagram account and then sell it to maybe this person or even somebody else, and they would be ready to pay a lot of money because these are things that actually go viral and they can make their money back as well, especially if that's his name and you can sell it right back to him. So that's one of the ways that you can do that. It's the very first thing. Now I'm going to do some things that are easier right now. The next one is Fiverr.com. Now Fiverr.com is very known and there's all sorts of different things that you can do on that. So you just have to go on there and find out like if there's a skill that you can actually sell, because chances are there is something that you have, like, you know how to do, because there's so many different things, whether it's graphic design or all those different things, and you can just sell services and actually make some money from that. So if you make a logo for $5 and you sell about, you know, 1,000 of them, then you're making a pretty big income. So you don't have to sell 1,000, but even 100 would make you a good income, and you can sell them for $10, $30, $50. It really depends on your expertise and how good you are and all these different things, what niche and all sorts of different things like that. But you can make a really decent income on Fiverr.com. Now the next one is dropshipping. Now I've done this before. Dropshipping is one of the ways that you can actually make some real money, because you don't even have to own a product. All you have to do is you create a website. Chances are it's on Shopify.com. And you create that website and all you do is you order a product for somebody else and ship it to them. So the person orders that on your website, you order it for them, it gets sent straight to them and you don't have to do anything else. All you have to do is, you know, respond to their comments and, well, their emails and all these things, but you don't actually have to have a product. So dropshipping is a very cheap way to do this, and you can make some pretty decent money with that. I made some videos right at the beginning when I first started this channel, so if you're interested in that, you can check these out and they will definitely help you, because even though they are about a year old, they are still relevant. So dropshipping is one of a big one. The next one is day trading. Now day trading, you have to be very careful with that, because you have to make sure that the people who are actually teaching you know what they're doing and they're not just trying to sell you a course for $10,000. And some courses are worth $10,000, but you really have to make sure that the course that you are going to take is a proper one. Now if you are not ready to take a course and you don't have the money, chances are you'll find everything that you need to know on YouTube, but make sure you do your research, because you don't want to lose a ton of money. And I know a lot of people are making some money, but a lot of people are getting scammed like that. So make sure that you check it out. I can't help you too much with that because I do know it works, but I have not done any of that before. There are some channels right about that on YouTube, so you can check these out if you're interested in day trading. That is something that you can go into, but you have to really make sure that you learn from the right people, because you could get scammed on that. Don't let that take away from you. You can absolutely do that, but make sure that you learn from the right people. So the next one is starting a podcast. Starting a podcast is very known all over the world, and you can make a ton of money with that as well. You just have to be consistent. You have to make sure that your podcast is known, and again, you have to do your research on that, but don't just dig a hole and to just do research and research and research, because you have to get started at some point. This is something that's very likely it won't be very risky at all, but you have to put in the work. Make sure that you talk about something that people are genuinely interested in and that you are also interested in, because if you're not interested in it, you'll just burn out and it won't work. But this works with all of these. So starting a podcast is one of the great ways, and a lot of people are making money off that. Now the last one I'm going to talk about is my favorite one by far, and that is affiliate marketing. And that is what I'm doing right now. What you do is you create a blog or a YouTube channel, and again, you have to be consistent on these, because if you're not consistent and putting in the work every single day, it won't work. So you really have to make sure that what you do and what you're talking about you're really interested in. So if you're making YouTube videos and there's things that you really are interested in, make sure that you talk about these and be consistent and just bring in as much value as possible. And that goes the same with the blog. And then what you do is you create an email list and send people to some offers that you really like. So I've got a ton of other videos about this. I won't go into detail too much, because this was kind of a short video where I wanted to give you some great ideas where you can absolutely make some money online. And there's a ton of other ways as well, so make sure that you do your research. You can do Amazon FBA as well. There are a ton of other ways to make money. So these are the main ones that you can make with very little money, if that. Like some of these you don't even need any money. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you smash that subscribe button. Also hit that notification bell. Leave me a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.